Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1.3 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we can tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But let's be honest, if you've got this list so wide, it will take forever to remove all of them manually, so all you have to do is to simply tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookie sensor data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which right now it is empty, so it means that we've just for sure removed actually everything, starting from the list of visited websites and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your SONY Xperia 1.3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.